My name is John Santa, and I'm the moderator for this panel. I'm from Consumer Reports. So my name is John Santa. I'm from Consumer Reports. I am thrilled to be the moderator for this panel. We use the work of these panelists every day at Consumer Reports. We don't always get it right, so advice like they provide is crucial to us. So I'm going to go right to the intro. I like to use sports analogies. I think most of you will get these. Now, you should know actually this year I watched Downton Abbey rather than the Super Bowl. But I'm not sure that I'm, familiar enough with it to use Downton Abbey analogies, but they're in my future. So, Judy Hibbert's going to start. Judy and I are Oregonians. So, like the University of Oregon Ducks, where she teaches, she's going to come right at you with a spread offense, no huddle. You're going to need to listen to everything she says, because at any moment she could go right over your head and score. This is a woman whose work really is changing how we are communicating to consumers. Following Judith, Shoshana Sofar. Judith and Shoshana have teamed up a lot on their work. Now, Shoshana is a New Yorker. Now, she will tell you that she's on sabbatical. Well, the New Yorker on sabbatical is like an Oregonian after 5 cans of Red Bull. And Shoshana is just so great at synthesis. And she's so great, especially in the question and answer session. So save those questions. She reminds me of that New York Giant receiver who, in the Super Bowl, the final drive, catches a ball with his hand, puts it up against his helmet as he's hit, and manages to keep possession of it as he falls and scores. Shoshana is like that for a lot of really tough questions. Following Shoshana is Barbara Rabson from Massachusetts Health Quality Partners. Barbara really is an expert at the art of collaboration. So she's in the middle of so much of what goes on in Massachusetts and trying to get the word out about performance, and especially performance of physicians. So in many respects, as Barbara and I know, she's got to deal with the players' union. And in Boston, that's like dealing with the Red Sox players, a group not very easy to deal with these days. She's done a great job of that. Now, Dan Wolfson is really, sorry, Daniel, really the genius behind Choosing Wisely. This guy has managed to get stuff done that many of us tried decades to do with physicians and professional societies, and has managed to get them to step up to their professional responsibilities. Now, Daniel's going to do what every good coach does. He's going to show you some film. He's going to get you right down in the trenches and show you what the interaction between the players on the playing field is like. The last speaker is Marge Ginsburg. Marge has got to be one of the last idealists in California. She actually thinks you can get the owners, players, and fans on the same playing field and get something done. So it'll be very interesting, I think, to see what she has to say. So these folks are each going to go 10 minutes. They're on a clock. I'm not a replacement referee because our biggest objective is to get to the discussion part, because that's what we really want to see, a free-for-all with all of you interacting with them. So thanks to the panelists. Judith.
Shoshana, actually.
Okay.